Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to remove the background in Figma. So, let's get started. First, open the Figma website and log in. Select the square tool at the bottom. Create a shape according to your image. Import your image into Figma. Right-click on the image. Click on the Plugins option. Select Manage Plugins. Search for Icons 8 Background Remover and click on it. Click on the Save option. Now go back, right-click on the image again and select Plugins. Click on Icons 8 Background Remover. Click on Remove Background. It will take a few seconds and your background will be removed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.